Should all companies learn from this? Kuwait.co surprises with 14.5 crore rupees bonus for employees. Kuwait.co, the IT firm in Tamil Nadu, has left its employees in astonishment with an unexpected pleasant surprise. The 14.5 crore was credited to the accounts of 140 employees that have worked at the company for 3 years. Questions are being asked if it is the beginning of a new wave in employee rewards, or was this massive bonus given? With the Together We Grow initiative, Kuwait.co announced that all employees joining before December 31st, 2022 would be given a bonus equal to 50% of their annual salary for after completing 3 years with the company. The first phase saw the distribution of bonuses to about 80 employees in their salaries for January. What did the CEO state? Kuwait.co founder and CEO Sarvana Kumar expressed that he has always believed in sharing the successes of the company with employees. Initially, the team considered stock ownership plans or offering equity shares, but realized that employees would not gain much benefit from these, so he decided to give direct cash bonuses instead. How did employees react? The employees who received the bonus were thrilled. One of them shared, "The company we work for has given us an incredible surprise. This bonus is beyond our expectations. Now we are even more motivated to contribute to the company's success." Kuwait.co's growth and future plans. The company generated $16 million in annual revenue in 2023. It's recently acquired Bangalore-based Floic. Kuwait.co has offices in England, Chennai and Coimbatore. Should other companies follow this model? This initiative raises an important question. Should other companies adopt a Together We Grow approach? Many companies offer employee stock ownership plans to reward employees with shares, but Kuwait.co's direct cash bonus provides an instant financial benefit. With this bold move, Kuwait.co has set a benchmark for employees' rewards. This question now is, will other Indian IT companies wake up to this trend?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.